Hello guys, this is Yuikan Shirik, and this is the first time if you're coming to my channel. I personally welcome you and thank you for visiting my channel. I am an entrepreneur and a public speaker too. Today let's talk about timing. Every one of us have our own momentum, have our own time, have our own clock. But sometimes what happens, we see others, we see our friends getting ahead of us, and we get upset, we get discouraged. Alright, so how to deal with this? Let us a little bit alter our pattern of thinking and see to it. I have seen people very clear at the age of 16 but didn't work out. But I have seen people like Jack Ma who started Alibaba at the age of 35. So it's all about believing in our timing. Be patient. You will have your own time coming up to you. It's never too late to start anything. Alright? Let me put across this way. Every one of us is having our own time. Doesn't mean that we have to just wait for the time and let the time do the work for us. No. We have our own timing. That is absolutely true. But one thing we have to do is this. We need to take a quality decision. Many of us are paralyzed not because of opportunity or not because of lacking in the skills, but because of the decision. A quality decision will give you a quality life. I repeat again, a quality decision that you're going to make today or you're taking today will give you a quality life. So no wonder we have our own timing. Every one of us have our own time, but we need to take a decision, right? So take a decision today. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and we will see you in our next video. Thank you.